At Car Glass and Trim, we are windscreen and door glass specialists, and it doesn't matter what vehicle you have. From cars, vintage cars, vans and camper vans, to buses, trucks and agricultural machinery, we do the lot. Whether your car's windscreen is chipped or you need new door glass for your camper van, you can rely on our experienced team to get you back on the road. Bring your vehicle in to our workshop in Ipswich, where we can perform windscreen and glass repairs and replacements, or take advantage of our mobile service. We will be out to you within 48 hours, sooner if we can, and our mobile van is fully equipped to perform all kinds of glass replacements. All our materials are to OE standards, and our technicians are NVQ Level 2 trained, so you can rest assured you're in the best hands. So for all your windscreen and glass repairs and replacements, give us a ring today. Car Glass and Trim, giving you a clear view of the road ahead.